Hey guys, you looking for best car Polishar machine? Then it is the right place to know about this product, and I assure you that you will happy to see this video. Watch carefully till the end. So let's start. $800-watt electric car polisher machine. Pure copper motor power, full horsepower, load speed 930-500 RPM, 6 speeds, power 800 watt, working voltage 220 volt. 6 speed adjustment of power, full speed, easy to handle a variety of work scenarios. The output shaft has been changed at high temperature to make it more durable. Dust proof device is added. Price $38.69. Link in the description. 38-piece car care waxing polishing set. Suitable for polishing rough and small areas. It can also be used for fine polishing of car trolleys. Efficiently cut and polish the most difficult automotive oxide coatings and scratches. Polishing and sealing glaze of various coating waxes, cleaning and improving its brightness. Price $11.89. Link in the description. 220-volt electric auto car polisher machine. Portable and non-slip handle, make all the progress, no blind angle. This polishing machine is not only suitable for cars but also great for household use, such as floor waxing, metal desk alling, furniture waxing, jade polishing, etc. 6 variable speed regulation can be adjusted to meet different needs. Low noise, quiet grinding. Price $15.70. Link in the description. 600-watt electric auto car polisher machine. The design of M14 thread is convenient to install the self-adhesive disc. Portable and non-slip handle, make all the progress, no blind angle. This polishing machine is not only suitable for cars but also great for household use, such as floor waxing, metal desk alling, furniture waxing, jade polishing, etc. Low noise, quiet grinding, long cable can deal with most situation. Price $17.99. Link in the description. Baseus Auto manual car polisher scratch repair machine. Press out the wax, gently press the top of the wax storage box. Easy to grip and wax evenly. A new way to wax, save time and effort. The new waxing device has obtained the National Patent Certification. It not only brightens car paint but also repairs the scratches and removes the stains on the car surface. Easy to use without hurting the car paint. Price $14.99. Link in the description. Check description box for more information about the product. Thanks for watching, stay with us and don't forget to subscribe.